You don't need weeks or thousands of pounds to upgrade your home. These 11 smart tech ideas can transform your space instantly. You don't need weeks or thousands of pounds to make your home feel smarter and more effortless. I'm Dean Shah, and in the next 9 minutes I'm going to walk you through 11 practical tech upgrades that deliver big impact fast. These are the kinds of changes that make your daily life easier, save energy, and just as importantly, feel satisfying to use every day. I've picked items that are affordable, mostly plug and play, and compatible with the most common ecosystems. So whether you're Team Alexa, Google, or Apple, there's something here you can set up in an afternoon. Lighting is the easiest place to start. Swap a bulb or replace a wall switch and you immediately gain mood control, schedules, and energy monitoring. I'll walk you through two routes: smart bulbs for simplicity or smart switches for whole fixture control. Smart bulbs are great for renters. No rewiring. Smart switches give you physical switch compatibility and often better long-term value. When you shop, check compatibility. Wi-Fi bulbs are simple. Zigbee or Z-Wave bulbs often need a hub. Popular choices include Philips Hue, LifeX, and TP-Link Casa. If you pick Hue, you might want the Hue Bridge for advanced routines and multi-room sync. Quick wins: set a sunrise schedule, set a sunset schedule, a movie scene that dims and warms the lights, and geofencing so lights turn off when you leave. Energy savings add up. LED smart bulbs use far less power, and scheduling prevents accidental all-night usage. Also, consider color temperature: warmer for evenings and cooler for work zones. Setup tips: keep bulbs on during pairing, place the hub centrally if you use one, and assign rooms in the app to make voice control natural. Test a routine right after setup. Say good night to confirm lights dim and the thermostat adjusts. These small wins make the house feel faster and smarter instantly. If you want bang for your buck, smart plugs and outlets are where affordability meets utility. They're literally plug and play. Control lamps, fans, space heaters. Be mindful of power ratings, or even that morning coffee maker. For renters, a smart plug gives you instant voice control without any electrician. Most smart plugs work over Wi-Fi. Some pair with Zigbee hubs for mesh robustness. Look for energy monitoring if you're curious about consumption. TP-Link, Casa, Amazon Smart Plug, Eve Energy. Smart outlets give a cleaner look if you want a permanent change. Use cases are immediate. Schedule the kettle to switch on just before you wake. Set lamps to turn on at dusk, or remotely power cycle a flaky router. Voice control means less fumbling. Alexa, turn on living room lamp becomes part of daily flow. And if you measure energy, you can identify appliances that cost more than you think. Safety note: never overload a plug and check manufacturer limits. For high draw appliances, prefer a hardwired outlet or consult an electrician. For everything else, these devices are the fastest route to control and automation without a single wire change. A smart thermostat is one of the easiest upgrades that consistently pays for itself. Modern smart thermostats are mostly DIY installs. Remove the old stat, connect a few wires, attach to the wall, follow a guided setup in the app. Most systems support multi-stage HVAC, but check compatibility before buying. Once installed, the benefits are immediate. Schedule temperature changes. Control remotely. Use learning features. Eco modes to reduce waste. Many models like Nest, Ecobee, and Honeywell have occupancy sensing. Use your phone's location to switch to an energy-saving state when you leave. Comfort is faster too. Zone schedules mean mornings are warm, nights are cool automatically. The remote control is invaluable when you're returning from a trip and want the house comfortable on arrival. Tip: pair the thermostat with your smart off routines. Link it to a leave routine to lower heating to arrive to bring it back. Over time, you'll notice measurable savings on energy bills and a tangible improvement in everyday comfort. Chapter 4. Smart speakers do more than play music. They're the central interface for a lot of smart homes. Set up a voice assistant for hands-free control, quick information to trigger routines. For beginners, an Echo Dot or Nest Mini is the fastest route to voice control and multi-room audio. These devices also act as hubs for other smart devices. Some speaker models include Zigbee hubs and all integrate with major platforms. Use them for timers, calendar reminders, and ambient sound. Multi-room audio lets you move the party or background music across rooms seamlessly, which is, a nice quality of life upgrade. Routines are where voice shines. A good morning shortcut can turn on lights, read the weather, and start a coffee maker via a smart plug. Security benefits extend to announcements for doorbells or motion sensors, and because these devices are inexpensive, you can scatter them around the house without breaking the bank. Privacy note: review microphone and data settings during setup. If you use multiple assistants, try to pick a default for core routines to avoid conflicts. When it's working, voice control simply speeds everything up. Chapter 5. A video doorbell is an immediate security and convenience upgrade. Modern units offer easy mounting options. Battery-powered models require no wiring. Wired versions tap into existing doorbell circuits for continuous power. Choose the format that fits your home and your tolerance for charging. Real-time alerts. You'll get a live feed when someone approaches. Two-way talk may speak directly through the doorbell from your phone. Package detection, smart notifications when packages arrive. These features deter opportunistic crime and make deliveries less stressful. Look for good motion tuning so you don't get spammed by passing cars. Cloud subscriptions offer history. Local storage via SD card or hub can be a privacy-friendly alternative. Ring, Nest Doorbell, Arlo. Tip: set up motion zones to focus on your porch. Tip: test the audio for clarity. Tip: integrate the doorbell with your smart lights to blink when someone rings at night. The result is a tangible bump in convenience and safety. Chapter 6. Smart locks move you from physical keys to codes and phone-based entry. Installation is often straightforward. Replace the interior portion of your deadbolt in minutes for many retrofit models. Keeps your exterior hardware intact while adding functionality. Temporary access codes for guests. Activity logs so you can see who entered and when. Integration with routines, for example, unlocking the door can trigger lights to turn on, and the thermostat to enter a comfort mode. August, Yale, Schlager, Nuki. Security matters. Use strong account credentials. Enable two-factor authentication. Prefer local control. Check for Z-Wave models or check for Bluetooth models. Consider a lock with a built-in keypad for code-only access for family or cleaners. Create a guest code that expires automatically. Test auto lock settings so you never worry about doors left open. Smart locks reduce friction and increase convenience without compromising on safety when configured responsibly. Chapter 7. Robot vacuums and mops are instant relief for floor maintenance. Setup is typically as simple as placing the dock, charging, mapping your home. Modern robots, map rooms, create no-go zones, schedule a clean without worrying about cords or clutter. They're time savers, schedule daily or weekly cleans. The robot tackles routine debris. You handle deep cleans occasionally. iRobot, Roomba, Roborock, EchoVax,